Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic natural language processing. So let's get started. In the context of evaluating machine translation, what does a BLEU score of 0.0 typically indicate? The correct answer is option B. No n-gram overlap between the candidate and the reference translations. Which architectural component allows transformers to process sequences in parallel rather than sequentially like RNNs? The correct answer is option C, self-attention mechanism. In Word2Vec, which architecture predicts a target word based on its surrounding context words? The correct answer is option B, continuous bag of words, CBOW. What is the primary purpose of teacher forcing during the training of sequence-to-sequence models? The correct answer is option C, to use the actual ground truth from the previous time step as the next input. Which of the following describes the perplexity metric in language modeling? The correct answer is option A. It is the inverse probability of the test set, normalized by the number of words. Which sub-word tokenization method starts with individual characters and iteratively merges the most frequent adjacent pair of tokens? The correct answer is option C, byte pair encoding BPE. BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, is primarily based on which part of the original transformer architecture? The correct answer is option B, the encoder only. In a long short-term memory, LSTM, network, which gate is responsible for deciding which information from the previous cell state should be discarded? The correct answer is option D, forget gate. What is the main advantage of fast text over standard Word2Vec? The correct answer is option B. It represents words as bags of character n-grams, handling out-of-vocabulary words better. In the context of beam search, what happens as the beam width k increases? The correct answer is option B. The search explores more hypotheses, potentially finding a better sequence, but consuming more memory. Which of the following tasks is an example of sequence labeling? The correct answer is option B, named entity recognition, NER. What is the significance of positional encoding in the transformer model? The correct answer is option B. It provides the model with information about the relative or absolute position of tokens. Which evaluation metric is most commonly used for text summarization tasks, focusing on recall? The correct answer is option B, Rouge. What does zero-shot learning refer to in the context of large language models, LLMs? The correct answer is option B, a model performing a task without any specific examples provided in the prompt. In the attention mechanism, the attention score is typically calculated using which two components? The correct answer is option A, query and key. Which of these techniques is used to reduce the vocabulary size by grouping different forms of a word, e.g., running, rand, into a single base form? The correct answer is option B, lemmatization. What is the primary difference between ELMO and Word2Vec? The correct answer is option B. Elmo provides contextualized embeddings, whereas Word2Vec provides static embeddings. The vanishing gradient problem in standard RNNs makes it difficult for the model to The correct answer is option B. Learn long-range dependencies in a sequence. In transformer models, what is the purpose of multi-head attention? The correct answer is option A. To allow the model to attend to information from different representation subspaces at different positions. Which of the following is a generative task in NLP? The correct answer is option B, abstractive summarization. GLOVE, Global Vectors for Word Representation, constructs word embeddings by analyzing. The correct answer is option B, the global word-word co-occurrence matrix. What is the function of the softmax layer at the end of a language model's output? The correct answer is option B, to convert raw scores, logits, into a probability distribution over the vocabulary. Which of the following describes extractive summarization? The correct answer is option B, selecting and highlighting existing sentences from the original text to form a summary. In the context of BERT, what does the CLS token represent? The correct answer is option C, an aggregate representation of the entire sequence for classification tasks. What is the computational complexity of the self-attention layer in a transformer with respect to the sequence length n? The correct answer is option C, ON squared. Which gate is present in a GRU, gated recurrent unit, but not in a standard LSTM? The correct answer is option B, reset gate. What is the primary goal of masked language modeling (MLM) as used in BERT training? The correct answer is option C, to predict the identity of words that have been randomly replaced by a mask token. Which technique is used to prevent a model from attending to padding tokens in a sequence? The correct answer is option B, masking. In dependency parsing, what does a root node represent? The correct answer is option C, the structural center of the sentence, typically the main verb. What does the term hallucination refer to in large language models? The correct answer is option B, when the model generates text that is grammatically correct but factually incorrect or nonsensical. Thank you for watching.